Nourish your mornings, overnight oats for a nutrient-packed start. Embark on a journey to transform your mornings into a nourishing ritual with the wholesome goodness of overnight oats. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. Here are 5 key points exploring the significance and benefits of incorporating nutrient-packed overnight oats into your breakfast routine. 1. Whole grain nutrition boost. Overnight oats, crafted from whole grains, provide a robust nutritional foundation. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they contribute to improved digestive health and offer sustained energy, making them an ideal choice for a nutrient-packed start to your day. 2. Versatile nutrient infusion. Elevate the nutritional profile of your breakfast by infusing overnight oats with a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients. From fresh fruits bursting with vitamins to nuts and seeds delivering essential fats and proteins, the versatility of overnight oats allows you to tailor your morning meal to meet specific dietary needs. 3. Balanced macronutrient composition. Achieve a balanced macronutrient intake effortlessly. Overnight oats naturally combine carbohydrates from oats, proteins from milk or yogurt, and healthy fats from nuts or seeds. This harmonious blend not only supports overall nutrition but also helps maintain satiety, keeping you fueled until your next meal. 4. Supports dietary goals. Whether you're aiming for weight management or seeking a heart-healthy breakfast option, overnight oats can be tailored to align with various dietary goals. Adjusting ingredient proportions and choices allows for a personalized approach, making them a versatile and adaptable choice for a diverse range of nutritional needs. 5. Time-efficient morning solution. Embrace the convenience of a time-efficient breakfast solution. The overnight preparation of oats requires minimal morning effort, making it an ideal choice for those with busy schedules. This time-saving aspect ensures you can prioritize a nutrient-packed breakfast even on the most hectic mornings. In summary, nourish your mornings, overnight oats for a nutrient-packed start, underscores the nourishing potential of incorporating overnight oats into your breakfast routine. From whole grain nutrition and versatile nutrient infusion to balanced macronutrient composition, supporting dietary goals, and a time-efficient morning solution, overnight oats offer a delicious and health-conscious beginning to your day. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.